Governor Chukwuma Soludo yesterday joined the traditional ruler of Ukpo, Igwe, Dr. Robert Eze, and people of the community in Dunukofia local government area celebrating their 2022 Ofala festival. The 2022 Ofala festival of Ukpo community is the 31st since the enthronement of Igwe Dr. Eze. Government House correspondent Valentine Mbadua reports that the festival attracted many custodians of culture, including the chairman, Anambra State Traditional Rulers Council and Obi of Onitsha, Igwe Nnemeka Achebe. His report.
Governor Soludo at the occasion thanked the people and stakeholders of Ukpo Kingdom, especially Prince Atoeze, for their support when he was canvassing for votes. He assured that he will live up to the expectations as the chief servant of the state and asked the elders and pillars of the society to always support the government to deliver good governance to the people. He congratulated Igwe and the entire people of Ukpo on the Ofala celebration and prayed God to renew the strength and wisdom of the king to continue on the path of impactful rulership. Prince Atoeze, while welcoming the governor, said that Anambra is blessed to have him leading the state and promised his support to his administration. He asked God to bless the governor with courage, wisdom and strength to discharge his duties without fear or favor. From Ukpo, Valentine Mbadua reporting for ABS News.